Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be going over how I made this skull cover for Protect. Just how to make a skull cover in general, this I think is really fire. A lot of people do hit me up about this, so I feel like it's something people want to learn about or whatever. Yeah, let's get straight into it. So this is the first case. The main key is to find a skull that matches the image. So for this image, obviously his head is rotated. So I found a skull right here that is obviously rotated. So the skull is rotated and it's kind of positioned in the same way as him. So this took me like a little bit to find. Putting them in my free pack so you guys can access them easily. Just download it. You have hella shit in there. Yeah, just match the position. A key tip for you guys is to match up the eye sockets, and usually everything else matches up, but mainly the eye socket and the nose and even the mouth if you can. But with this image you can't really like see the mouth, but you can make a guess. And once you have that, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to go through the blend modes. Now for me, vivid light looked the best. Obviously it looks a bit like weird because the hand is in the way and it just looks this stupid, but that's why you have the layer masks. So all you have to do is go to layer, click on this little button. So you want to get your brush, you just want to tap around, mainly just the eyes you want to keep. Obviously you want to get rid of the mouth if it doesn't apply to what you want. You can get a really nice kind of look out of this. But yeah, it's really simple. It doesn't take that long to actually create. It's just about kind of refining it and kind of making sure it looks a bit realistic, which could be the hard part. But once you have that done, that's basically it. Then you can work around with the adjustments and the rest of the cover. There's a lot of shit in this. These are from my adjustment pack. Make sure you guys do go ahead and copy it. I do have a little tester, but there's not really much in it, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But if you guys want to level your shit up really fast, get something like this like instantly, literally show you guys how it works. Boom, literally you turn it on. Yeah, make sure you guys do go ahead, check that out. Yeah, also go ahead, join the Discord if you want the free packs, for the skulls or whatever. I have hella shit in the pack. And yeah, that's it. Peace.